went to Lazydays because all of our friends says you got to go to Lazydays. So we came here, we met Tony, and he took us around and showed us, there's so many different ones to choose from, but he said, you know what, you two have scooters, right? And we're like, yeah, we have mopeds. And he goes, I got to show you this. So he took us over and showed us a Grand Design Momentum with a little garage, not the full garage, and it was absolutely perfect for our needs.
We're really excited because we had no idea they're going to let us stay overnight and try everything out. So they said they're going to walk us through how to use everything, which is good because I've never owned one. David did a lot of camping growing up, but they're going to show us everything, and then we get to spend the night and use it all. So that way, if we still have questions tomorrow, like there will be someone here to answer our questions, which is nice.
Doesn't matter what the price is, they have something to fit your needs. That's what we found.
They got a coach for every budget, really do.
And they made it convenient, fast. They processed us quickly in, made sure we got into the bay quickly in the morning. I mean, just no hassle, just helping, making sure, always asking the question, are you taken care of? Did you know that we have this?
Paid attention to what our concerns were.
Yeah.
The sales experts at Lazydays are just that. They're experts. They know so much about every make and every model, and it's another reason why you don't have to go from dealership to dealership. You're going to be able to talk to the same salesperson through your whole experience, whether you're looking at a travel trailer or a Class A. They're going to know about all of them, and that's one of the great things here at Lazydays.
The people here are exceptionally nice. They take care of whatever they need to take care of. I just can't think of anywhere else I'd want to buy.